Guys, Jayet here. Today I'm going to show you two project. This project will give you portfolio and can make you millionaire with some small investment. So let's talk with the projects. Today I will ask only for two projects. Every day I will try to give some idea. Actually, also besides I will explain the Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and what is the procedure of searching, finding each and everything day by day. So let's talk with Dogecoin. If we click on Dogecoin, you can see the price here at a 15 cent, right? So if we just click on maximum graph circle, then what it is indicated it's showing, you see, before 9 years ago the Dogecoin price was after decimal 40869, and before 3 years ago it was near about 0.73 cent. Within, I think, 6 years, it has just, you see the pumping zone, the percentage of pumping. So I'll not show you the resistance and resistance. I have no idea too. That's much. So forget about resistance. Those who are just showing resistance. Resistance is just nothing. Yes, it has some criteria and also have some potential logic. After that, also nobody will predict or nobody can give you assurance that from the resistance that it is working or it will work with the resistance, right? So basic idea on crypto, that is, according to my opinion, that it is just it will work or it is working just its own way, okay? Not just following something, this blah 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 blah. Those who are just talking about. It is just imagination and calculation and taking risk of your portfolio or your investment, something like that. Those who can take risk and also can wait, so he will be the success in crypto market. It is just belief of mine. I don't know what you guys are thinking. So guys, if we see the graph here, so guys, if we see the graph here, you see at 2020 it was 0035 cent. After it started its journey and finally it has gone to 0.73 cent. If you see the top level, okay, 0.7 cent. After that it is just dumping and goes to 0.08 or 0.05, something like that, and now a little bit increasing. If 2025 will be the bull, will just be the season of bull run, then Hopefully it will just close $1 and we can touch $2 or $3 too. So it's my opinion. You can just if you have some portfolio to invest, which will not affect on your life, then you can make invest here. So today I will not go to website or something to show you. You will check the website by yourself and you will see the fundamental history are there, also white paper list, and those who are just connected with this project will find a lot of history there and you can trust on this project too. So if we go back, number two coin, so that coin is according to my opinion, that is Bitcoin Cash. Okay, as its position is number 19, right? It is just 344 cent right now, and its position also in good condition. You see, within 50 of serial, its position is at 19. So if we see the total or maximum supply, it's 21 million, right? So same as Bitcoin, and also the Bitcoin Cash has started its journey, I think, at we have to see the graph. But graph, it is the solid way to find out its if we see the max, here you can see that 2000, most probably 2017, it was started its journey, and 2018, I hope 2018, it just has gone its upper level or maximum level. I think it is around 3,800 USD. Okay, it was maximum price was its maximum price was 3,800 USD. So which is very good hype at that time. But yeah, till now this coin is very potential, as this is very potential coin, and till now it has a chance to go at the high, and maybe 2 or 3 years later it will just jump to, I think, $50,000 around, when Bitcoin will go to more than 200K, I think. So it is also, it is a good project too. You can invest on there also. You can check the white paper list, website link, whatever. If you just go to their website, you will find each and every. No need to explain and make the video more longer. So today up to here.